Page 71, hymn time. Again, we're still in E major. Got 4 sharps, 6/8 times, so an eighth note gets a count. And this piece, look out. I want to talk about a few things here. You're starting out with 5th finger on the G sharp in the right hand. Let's talk right hand first. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now on the last measure, it's the 4th finger then on the E. 1, 2, 3, 4. Reach up to get the 3rd finger on the E. That's fine. 3rd line down. 4th finger on the E. And then 5th finger on the G sharp. Now, 3rd line last measure. They're saying 4th finger here. You're here. Now, it's between phrase. You can lift up if you want. But I find it easier to play this if I use 5th finger on the A. Just leave it here and just reach the A up. Or reach the finger up. The A's not going anywhere. Reach the finger up. There's no reason I can't play that in this position. And then at the end, there are the last couple measures. Then the 5th finger goes on the G sharp. Now you use 2nd finger on the C sharp. You can use thumb if you want, but I find it easier to keep the hand out here rather than moving it in here if I don't have to. So that's the right hand. The left hand, you have a combination of the chords, the 1 chord, and then some harmony notes. Watch the fingering. 2nd measure, reach down, and then 2, 1. And then they're saying a 2. 2nd line, F sharp, A sharp. That's about all the tricky stuff is. Otherwise, you've got primary chords in the left hand. So hopefully that's not a problem. Melodies in the right hand. We want to hear the melody. Play the melody out. See, so play the melody out. It says moderato, but you're counting 8th notes. Now there's words to this hymn. This is a hymn, but I'd like to try this slowly with you, just to check it, the notes and the rhythms and all. So I'm going to give us 6 counts. Let's try this out. All right, right hand, left hand. 1, 2, 3, 4, ready, go. 6. 5, 6. 5, 6. 6. 5, 6. 5, 6.